this is like me coming back home because I'm a nationalite. I'm from National College. So this feels like a complete circle for me to come back here because I used to sit there and watch all the cultural events in Paris. So to be on the stage and to be able to showcase my trailer here to this crowd, it feels I'm very very grateful, very grateful. So thank you all for turning up. Thank you all.
Firstly, very overwhelmed right now. It's going to be difficult for me to talk because I have also seen the trailer for the first time. And thank you to everybody for being here for this special moment when we've seen the trailer, and all of us are just speechless, in awe of Bijoy sir with what he's managed to pull off. And coming to what you just asked me, yes, we actually relived our college life with this. I think personally, from my experience, whatever I could not do back in college, I literally got to do during this film. Lots of things which probably, you might not do because you're living a kind of a disciplined life or anything of that sort. But here, we've had a blast shooting for it. The kind of co-actors I've had, we've literally behaved like college students even off the camera, and I think it's been an absolutely fun ride. So that is evident in the trailer, as you've all seen. So it's been a great journey, and really keeping fingers crossed that everybody enjoys it the way we have enjoyed shooting for it.
I'm a big fan of Sir's work, and I woke up in the morning and I got a text from Bijoy sir. Hi, this is Bijoy Nambiar. I would like to discuss a film with you. I was so nervous, like I am right now, and he said, I'm making a film. तो क्या बोले मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. I was in the awe, like, oh, he's saying something, okay, college and all that. But when I read the script, it was, as you saw, the guy is very rugged, and you get to show your anger, emotions, and it was completely different from the film that I've done before. And this sounded like a great opportunity for me. Our biggest production house was backing it up, T-Series. And I was fascinated by Sir's knowledge of cinema, even while shooting. Like, I don't think he misses any of the films. Every Friday, the first show guy, kind of. But yeah, it was an honor to share screen with Harshvardhan. He's such a nice guy. Like, I wish he was not this nice. I think I would have beaten him more in the film. But he's such a nice guy. इसको कैसे मारूंगा मैं? So, thanks for being you, Harsh. A lot to get inspired to. He's an amazing person. As you know, his Instagram is always thriving with his travels and all the good work that he does. And then Nikita, of course, one of the coolest co-actors I worked with. Very funny. She has an amazing laugh. I don't know if there hoga abhi stage
No,
pe.
luckily, publicly I don't do that. Yeah.
And then working with the South actors, Kalidas Bhai, Sanchara. It was an honor. I think we bonded for life on this film. So thanks to Sir for making, giving me friends for life.
यार आप लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे जब रील बनाते हो तो कितना टाइम लगता है एक रील बनाने में आपको? काफ़ी टाइम लगता है. लड़कियां मेकअप करती हैं, लाइटिंग सही होनी चाहिए, फिर उसकी एडिटिंग भी होती है. माँ कसम खा रहा हूँ, फिल्म बनाने में उससे 1 करोड़ गुना ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगता है. एंड बिजॉय सर के लिए, इस फिल्म के ट्रेलर के लिए, गाइस प्लीज़ थिएटर जाके देखना. ये प्लीज़ OTT का वेट. बहुत मुश्किल है और ये डिबेट में मैं पढ़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट हम सभी लोग अपनी अपनी लड़ाई खुद लड़ रहे हैं. बहुत मुश्किल से अच्छी फिल्म में पार्ट मिलता है. अगर आप लोग OTT का वेट करोगे ना, जो आएगी उस पर भी एंजॉय कर लेना सेकंड थर्ड टाइम. बट वो बिजॉय सर जैसे मेकर को, प्रोड्यूसर्स को वो फ़ायदा नहीं मिलेगा. और उसके बाद मेरे कमेंट्स में आके ये मत बोलना पार्ट 2 क्यों नहीं कर रहे, क्योंकि पार्ट 2 इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहा क्योंकि पार्ट 1 की आपने टिकट नहीं खरीदी थी. तो प्लीज़ गाइज प्लीज़, I know I could not be this direct, but I want to, because this man has really put in his hard work and much more. So please.